We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget.
Anonymous Free Anon's press release. This transmission has been hacked by Anonymous. When internet activists are getting longer prison sentences than rapists. You have to wonder what kind of world we're leaving for our kids. In a world where we see every day how governments, banks and corporations strip away our privacy and freedoms. In the name of greed, power, and control. We all have a right to just be free. We oppose those who would take our freedoms away. We ask you to join us in our fight. Along the way, many of our brothers and sisters have been persecuted. Free Anons is there to support them. We ask you to join us in our fight. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us. We thank you for your time. And release control of this transmission back to Compagnie Jolly More.
Tous ensemble, grève générale. Tous ensemble, grève générale. C'est dans la rue que ça se passe.